The silicone roller is produced with a metal core, covered with silicone rubber and vulcanized. It has advantages such as high temperature resistance, ozone resistance, chemical inertness, and non-adhesiveness to plastics. The production process of silicone rollers is as follows. 1. Cleaning the roller core. If it is a new roller core, the surface oil stains need to be cleaned with a cleaning agent. If it is an old roller core, the old rubber layer needs to be removed, and the remaining rubber on the core surface needs to be cleaned with a cleaning agent. To surface roughening of the roller core. The surface of the core is roughened to increase the bonding area between the roller core and the rubber coating. 3. Sandblasting. The roughened core is sandblasted to make the roller surface rougher, allowing better adhesion between the rubber and the core after coating. 4. Coating. After applying silicone rubber adhesive, the roller core processed as above is coated according to customer requirements. Different coating materials result in different requirements. The roller is vulcanized after coating, and the vulcanization process ensures a tight bond between the roller core and the coating, forming a coated roller. 5. Roller polishing. The roller is polished according to customer requirements for size and shape. In cases where customers have high requirements for the roller surface, CNC grinding machines may be used for polishing the roller. Thank you for watching.